Hey my loves, so we're going to cook. It's been longer. We're going to cook. So I'm chopping these potatoes because I'm going to grill them with chicken, and I'm going to be taking you through, but I'm not going to be speaking. Okay, so yeah, this is the shape that we want, and we've soaked this in hot water because there is ice and I really don't have time. So we are defrosting. Yeah. So okay, we are defrosting. So anyway, I'm going to wait for it for like 30 minutes and then we proceed. I'm going to be taking you through, but it's going to be a easy meal, a simple one, but a very nice one. Anyway, let's proceed. Hello, good morning. Shake my love here. Today is Tuesday and I'm going for a press conference. I'm leaving now. I didn't do makeup. I just did my lips because it's hot and I'm putting on a wig. So I'm going to wear shades too. That's why I didn't do makeup. I feel like it's not necessary. My outfit, a boyfriend and that. And these these shoes, I think you can see them. Today I have a bracelet on, so yeah, I'm also going to be having a bag. I think I'll get a pic. I just wish I do because I always forget, but I'm good. I'm looking good, trust me. I think actually I'll put a light here because now that light is affecting this video, but yeah, that is how I look. I look so cute. We're looking good. Anyway, bye guys. To be a Sheebaholic. We are seeing mommy tomorrow. Cholimba. Zija. So the queen is coming. Mutule butuuzi wabula. Chama bakuteremu ku mafuta. Simanyi bagenda nakikolera wano ani aliwo. Good morning guys. It's been long since we did a transformation, so we actually make this pant. For me, I make these clothes, guys. You should support me. Anyway, I was going to turn a basic trouser, a jean, into a fashionable one because I bought it and I wasn't feeling it. So I was just going to do just simple things, just cutting and turning those things inside out. Now it was just basic, like you can see this. However, the other one is a jean, and I just wanted to just add some shape, some design. So you see the legs, both of them, I changed them. I think you can see. So that is how it looks like. I want to try it on and you see actually how it looks like. But before, I wasn't even wearing it. I used that machine. I'm back to sewing actually. I used my machine and let's see how it looks like. And boom, now this pant was too long and it was very wide down, and it was just a basic pant. So I decided to cut the legs and then turn them inside out. I feel like it is kind of short, so I'm going to unhem it and then I hem it back just to increase on the length of the leg. So that is how it looks like. It fits well, the waist and everything, guys. I love it. Anyway, so let's proceed with the vlog. I hope you're enjoying it. Before we actually proceed with the vlog, I wanted to show you this pant too. I made it from here, guys. I feel like I didn't have clothes because I'm giving out almost 80% of the clothes that I have. I'm just not in love with them, and most of them are new actually. I'm just giving them out, so I'm trying to make myself clothes that I want, or clothes of my aesthetic and my style. So I make this pant too. It's like a cargo pant. It has pockets, like 4 pockets. yeah, it looks good. Look at that. Now currently that is the fashion that I want. Like I love baggy, I love comfortable, and of course flattering clothes. I was actually just thinking, if you follow me on TikTok, I was just thinking about a client that I got who made me make a dress, and then okay, a dress didn't fit her body, and we discussed that when she was giving me the order, but she told me she had shapewears, but I told her it wasn't going to flutter like the way it was fluttering on the dummy that she sent me, and she refused. But anyway, we faced those challenges, and then she told me to give her money back, and yet we discussed this. But anyway, yeah, that is another pant that I made. Tell me what you think about it. And I make these clothes actually. Actually, for me to make this pant, someone ordered it, and she told me she needed such a pant. I made it, and it was nice. I was like, girl, make yourself one. Let's continue. Since I've not been at my place, I came back and it looks like I'm just getting to the routines and all that. So I made pineapple juice, munanas, the one we boil or we cook in our country. And it's been long since I made this. I've run out of the disposables because I've not shopped for a while now, and these are the only ones that I'm remaining with. I just do this to save myself like the struggle of pouring juice every time I want to take juice. I think this doesn't fit. Well, for this part, guys, hear me out. I know it's been long since I made a video about maize again, and maybe this is your luck because most of you have been asking me for that, asking me for maize video. Honestly, we've been planting maize, but I didn't have time, and I don't know why I've not been doing this. But anyway, we harvested maize again, and I decided to film for you. I filmed the whole process just like before, and but I need to make to do a sit down here. Now for this channel, I'm going to do a sit down answering all your questions as I take you through this process. And then for the other channel on the farm, I'm going to edit this video, the whole process, and then I upload it. So there are going to be two videos. This one where we are doing everything, it's going to be like the practical video is going to be on my like on the farm on my second channel, and then this one, the sit down video is going to be here specifically for answering other questions. So you need to watch both the videos because it's really important. Anyway, that's all.